eBright's public speaking for kids and teens. Today we are going to discuss a very crucial topic in the world of public speaking, which is to make eye contact with your fellow audience. Now, why is it a lot of people are so afraid of making eye contact with the audience? We're not very sure, but how about we ask our students why eye contact can be scary? I think a lot of people are scared of making eye contact with the audience.
Because usually when they have to start talking, they have to use eye contact. And then before any show starts, they'll be like, what's this all about? And then their eyes are like, okay. Then I was like, oh no, I think this person thinks this show is boring. I think they are like afraid because like so many people are watching them and they're like scared to make like a big mistake, but you actually should be just chill, cool with it. People are scared of making eye contact because they are shy of the audience, and when they do bad or something, everyone might laugh at them. I think they're scared of the person who's recording, or either they are not really used to their surroundings. Because some people, he is sitting, the eye contact is, his eyes is very scary, like very scary.
Audrey, I'm recording already. Hey guys, if you liked today's video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content from eBright. Now we have a very special announcement for all of you at home. We are now having our free trial class for any kids and teens who are interested in public speaking. Link to the free online trial class is in the description below, so go and check it out and don't miss our free trial class, okay? Bye guys!